Hey guys, it's Kika, and I'm back. It's been a while, so let's review one of Temu's fridge magnets. This French fry fridge magnet comes with 12 French fry clips. Conveniently place your batch of fries on the fridge, and when you need to use one to fasten an open bag, the French fry clip can do that without a worry. Get your French fry fridge magnet at Temu for just $2.76. If you like this content and want more reviews on product and services, check out my Reviews and Great Lifestyle YouTube channel and subscribe.